For a ceiling installation with a decorative round track, the track will come with ceiling brackets attached to it. Ask someone to hold the rod onto the ceiling from one end while you hold onto the other end. Measure that the distance from the wall to the center of the rod is about 3 to 4 inches. Make a marking inside the holes on each bracket, drill a hole at each marking, insert the plugs, line up the rod with the plugs, then screw in your screws. Finally, clip the carriers on the curtain into the carriers in the rod and adjust the folds. A simple and easy way to make your curtains look clean and elevated is to steam them. For a wall mount with a decorative track, you will first need to measure the height and width of the wall where the bracket will be mounted. To measure the height, make a small marking at your desired height. Please check that the height that you provided in your order is the correct one so the curtains don't hang too high or too low from the ground. Then measure 3/8 of an inch below that and make a mark. This is where you will be installing the inner round bracket. Now you are ready to install. Take your bracket and take it apart into 3 pieces. Place the top of the inside of the inner round bracket at the marking. Mark the holes and insert the plugs into the holes. In this case, we are using a different type of plug due to the material of our wall. Screw the inner round bracket to the wall and then place the cup over the inside of the round bracket. Next, insert the bar from the bracket into the smaller channel of the rod. Secure the bars so that they are equal distances from the edge of the channel and also lined up with the portion of the bracket attached to the wall. Lastly, place the bars against the cup portion of the bracket and secure them with an Allen key. If your curtains track comes with 2 parts, connect the 2 tracks in the middle by using an inside joiner in the smaller channel.
Insert the pre-installed pin hooks on the curtain to the ball carriers in the rod.
Once you've installed your curtains, you may notice creasing in the fabric due to it being packaged. A simple and easy way to make your curtains clean and elevated is to steam them. That's it! Enjoy your curtains! Head to the description below the video for our contact information if you need any more assistance.